She's not just making, she's cooking. Samba, mouth closed, she's cooking. The cook cooks food. What does the cook do?
Cook. Also cook the food.
Yes, the cook cooks the food. Cook is the name of a person, not the name, what he does. Also, cook means to cook. To cook is a verb. The cook is a person, a name. Right? Okay, the same in English language, the same word, same spelling are used. You know? So, unless those words are put in a sentence, you don't really know. If I just put the word cook, you won't know whether I'm referring to the person who cooks or the act of cooking. Exactly the same. So that putting them in a sentence is the most important. Isn't it? In English happens all the time, it happens. Same words, same letter, same spelling, same pronunciation, totally different meaning. Right. There are certain similar sounding words too. Now, TWO2, TO2 and TOO2 also. They're sounding the same. Okay. I want two. When will you know? I want 2 cakes. I went to the market. I like him too. You know exactly in the first sentence which two have I used?
2 numbers.
TWO2 means the TWO, I have said that. So say it like that. When I said I went to the market, which two have I used? PO. Yes, absolutely. And then when I say I like it too, which two have I used? POO means also lost too. You like him, I like him too. If only I just say two, will you know which two it is? So it is very important to make a full sentence to get the proper meaning of the word. Please never forget that the sentence is the unit of a language. To understand completely what my thought is, I must be able to express it in a full sentence. Otherwise, it is not clear to the person before me. And what is the purpose of talking? The sounds that I am making must make sense to you, and I must be able to convey my thought to you. You don't know what I want to convey. Mugged up saying, which everybody knows, is not conversation, is not speech. A parrot can do that. Right? This is very important, very, very important. Even when an older person is learning a language, you must learn the language with the intention of I must be able to express my thought in it. Very often, again, even older people, you join an English class or a French class, you are just made to recite, say the sentences whose meaning is there in the picture, only those sentences are repeated to you, and then you are supposed to say it means that. In that way, it will take you ages to really learn the language. Right? Okay.